man, did y'all see that? We have a crazy blizzard going on right now here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And it's supposed to be like this all day. And it's supposed to blizzard until about Wednesday or Thursday or so. Today's Tuesday, so it's supposed to be blizzarding like all day for like the next couple of days. So we're gonna have a ton of snow on the ground. We already do right now, but there's gonna be more and more coming. Yeah, it's winter now. But anywho, I just finished up with my appointment at the bank, and now I'm just gonna head over to Save On Foods, which is a new grocery store that opened up here in the city not too long ago. We've got 3 locations, but the one that I'm gonna go to is the International Save On Foods. So I'm really curious to see what kind of foods that they have in there. So pretty excited to check it out. So let's go. I'm gonna head back home now and just chill at home for the rest of the day until we have to pick up Jeff and his mom from work. And then the plan for tonight is to head out for dinner for Jeff's nephew's birthday, his 21st birthday. We're gonna go out for sushi at Sushi Jet. So pretty excited for that because I haven't been there in a while. One more thing before I start driving. I didn't really vlog that much inside the store because as you may or may not know, I still get shy when it comes to vlogging in public, and there was a lot of workers around, so yeah, I just got really paranoid. And like, I know that with a lot of stores they have like a certain policy where people aren't allowed to film inside the store, so I got really scared in that sense, so that's why I didn't really film that much. But yeah, the inside of the store is huge, and like, you have foods from like different parts of the world, like Japan, Philippines. They had some like German food in there, Middle Eastern food, European food, just, you know, kind of stuff like that. And it's really awesome. It's a really good variety. It really competes with the other grocery stores that are nearby. So I think this grocery store will do well, actually. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna head home. Just to give you guys an idea of how much snow fell already. Check out the table in the back here. It might be a little bit blurry, but I think you can still see how much snow fell. It's crazy. Okay guys, so it's a few hours later. It's about almost 4 o'clock in the evening now, and I've showered and everything, but I decided not to wear makeup because I want my skin to breathe. But anywho, I'm with Jeff's dad, and we are about to go and pick up Jeff and his mom from work, and then we're gonna head off to have sushi for his nephew's birthday. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next clip. home now, and once again I ate way too much. My stomach really hurts, so I'm just laying down. But I think I will end the vlog here for today. Thank you for hanging out with me today, guys. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. God bless. Bye.